Ever dabbled in investing? It can feel like a world shrouded in mystery, whispered secrets passed down from mahogany desks on Wall Street. But what if I told you there are platforms out there aiming to democratize investing, making it accessible for everyone? Enter Wealthsimple. Now, here's the kicker. Wealthsimple offers commission-free stock and ETF trades. Free? In the world of finance? That sounds too good to be true. So, what's the catch? Well, the answer, like most things in life, isn't a simple on-off switch. Let's dive into the inner workings of Wealthsimple and uncover the reasons behind their seemingly free services. Myth-busting, the cost of a trade. First things first, let's address the elephant in the room. Why do traditional brokerages charge those hefty commissions per trade? It might seem like they're raking in the dough, but the truth is, executing trades isn't as expensive as it once was. Technology has streamlined the process, making it a relatively low-cost operation for brokerages. So, why the traditional fees? Well, some might argue it's a way to create a barrier to entry, keeping the investing world a playground for the privileged few. But Wealthsimple takes a different approach. They built their platform from the ground up to be digital first, cutting out unnecessary overhead costs associated with brick-and-mortar locations and human advisors. This allows them to keep their fees low, passing on the savings to you, the investor. Free isn't free, but almost. Hold on a second, we're not saying Wealthsimple is completely free. There are a few things to keep in mind. Currency conversion fees apply if you're trading in a different currency than your account denomination. Think of it as a service charge for exchanging your money. They also offer a premium service tier with additional features like personalized investment advice and managed portfolios. This, of course, comes with a monthly fee. But the core functionality, buying and selling stocks and ETFs, remains free for everyone. Monetization magic, where's the money coming from? So, if they're not charging you per trade, how does Wealthsimple keep the lights on? Here's where it gets interesting. There are a few ways they generate revenue. Margin lending, this is where Wealthsimple allows you to borrow money to invest. They charge interest on these loans, creating a source of income. Securities lending, ever heard of lending out your unused clothes on a peer-to-peer platform? Wealthsimple does something similar with securities. They can lend out stocks and ETFs you hold in your account to other institutions, collecting a fee in the process. Fractional shares, this is a cool feature that allows you to invest in expensive stocks by buying just a portion of a share. While fractional shares themselves are free, there's a small spread between the buying and selling price on these trades, which generates revenue for Wealthsimple. The verdict, is Wealthsimple right for you? There's no one-size-fits-all answer. If you're a beginner investor, Wealthsimple's free commission structure and user-friendly platform can be a great starting point. They offer a variety of investment options, from individual stocks and ETFs to robo-advisor managed portfolios. However, if you're a seasoned investor with a large portfolio and require more complex investment strategies or personalized advice, a traditional brokerage with a human advisor might be a better fit. The bottom line. Wealthsimple isn't handing out free money, but they've created a business model that allows them to offer commission-free stock and ETF trades. By leveraging technology and focusing on a digital-first approach, they've made investing more accessible for everyone. Ultimately, the decision of whether Wealthsimple is right for you depends on your individual needs and investment goals. Do your research, understand the platform, and make sure it aligns with your financial journey. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.